In this area where the hammer's at, there's a soft spot.
Okay.
So we're going to try and figure out what is the cause of the soft spot, fix it if there's a cause that caused it other than wear and tear. Could be just wear and tear. And we're going to have to mess up some pretty decent carpet that's been well maintained, but they're going to replace all the floor anyway. So here we go. We're going to cut the carpet. If you're going to do it with the idea of seaming it, you would want to use a straight edge. And you want to make sure you have enough room to get your saw. So we're going to try right here, hopefully. Change your blades on your razor knife. If you're a carpet person, you change them often. If you're a drywall person, you change them often. There's stains. Yeah. You don't ever want to see the house that's been using carpet cleaners.
Yeah. Ends
up with like sand dunes underneath the pad because it goes through the pad with the water and everything. So if you notice here where the problems that we have, see, that's actually a joint that they made at the factory that you feel right there.
Okay.
And that water stain didn't help any. So we're going to cut right here. Maybe cut down through here. But that movement right there, that's what you're feeling.
Yeah. And it cracks as you go by.
So we'll be able to lay that carpet and pad back, and you can maybe put a rug over it until that time is used.
Yep.
But it's been wet before. Okay. Let's get it soft.